We are thrilled to be partnering with IRM and launching this first ever unique general insurance specific course, PGPRGI, Postgraduate Program in Risk and General Insurance. It is largely catered at building specialists, underwriting claims and insurance specialists for us. And the program duration is around 8 months. We will look at hiring jointly with IRM undergraduates and postgraduates, basically who are people who will complete graduation, and put them through a rigorous course jointly designed by IRM and ICICI Lombard. And through the course, they will get not only the theoretical inputs, very detailed, rigorous pedagogy that is going to be given by IRM's faculty, but also the practical exposure that they will get through us and through our faculty members, which is our managers and our leaders who will go and participate in the program. And on successful completion of the program, post 8 months, in January, they will get absorbed with ICICI Lombard. So I'm really happy and thrilled because it's the first ever initiative in the general insurance space, and we hope to build a lot more specialists over a period of time, and it's a small start. So in terms of the course content, so we have a very rigorous course. It will cover all aspects of insurance. If you look at us as a company, we are spread across all 3 major parts of risk, which is retail, commercial lines, as well as we are also partnering with some of the state governments on the financial inclusion schemes. So the diversity of the spread in the product portfolio is immense. So all possible risks, starting from motor insurance, health claims, underwriting, legal compliance, cargo, property, marine, all sorts of general insurance products and related underwriting and claims, along with reinsurance principles, will be taught to the students over a period of time. Thank you so much.